Hi all, it's Afan from TechCycle. WhatsApp recently released a warning. No, they didn't release it as a warning, they released it as an update. WhatsApp stated that WhatsApp is a private messaging platform and they need to keep it that way. So people who are using WhatsApp as a public messaging platform will be banned from that service. So what it means is that WhatsApp is a private messaging platform. It is used for personal communication, business communication, like that. So it is like a person to person communication. So people who are using it as a public messaging platform. So public messaging platform is like a megaphone. So if I said something, it is going to be heard by a lot of people. So like this YouTube, it's a public messaging platform. So people who are using WhatsApp as a public messaging platform, that is like they are getting inside every group created on WhatsApp and sharing a single message to all that people. So misusing the WhatsApp platform. So whoever using the WhatsApp as a public messaging platform, or whoever misusing the private nature of WhatsApp, will be banned from using the WhatsApp. So their account will be banned from WhatsApp, and WhatsApp released their count or a number of people who they blocked. They blocked about 2 million people from the active 1 billion users. So it's like a small number when compared to the original number, that is active users, that is 1 billion. From 1 billion 2 million is not, it's not something, but when we compare it as only 2 million is a lot of people. So a lot of people are banned from WhatsApp for misusing the platform. So they are giving a warning for all the users who is using the WhatsApp as a public messaging platform. If you are using it as a public messaging platform, your account will be banned. It's simple as that. So if you want to help WhatsApp on keeping the WhatsApp as a private messaging platform, you can help WhatsApp by reporting the account that is misusing the platform. So just choose their account and on settings choose report. It is going to report that account to WhatsApp, and if WhatsApp found that account guilty, they are going to ban that account. So that's all about this warning from WhatsApp, guys. Just update you guys about this WhatsApp banning account. So that's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one, and don't forget to subscribe.